I spent my time watching the spaces that had grown between us, and I cut my mind on second best, all the scars that come with the greenness. And I gave my eyes to the boredom, still the seabed wouldn't let me in. And I tried my best to embrace the darkness in which I swim. Now walking back down this mountain, the strength of a turning tide. Oh, the wind's so soft at my skin, yeah, the sun's so hot upon my side. Oh, looking out at this happiness I search for between the sheets, or feeling blind to realize all I was searching for was me.